Hello, this is Infiniti QX60 and the trunk door was not opening. Here is how I fixed it by finding the fuse. I was looking, browsing for a solution, and everyone was saying the fuse, but I didn't really find which fuse that was. So here is what I did. This box right here, you open it from here like this, and under it you can see different descriptions of what the fuses are for, their amperage and so forth. So somewhere I saw that it's 40 amp what I need to look at, and there are three 40 amp descriptions right here, and it's kind of mirrored. So when I flip it over, I see power back door 40 amp right here. Then I check the 40 amps right here. I see the three. They're in a one single box, or sort of, and I just pulled it out with the help of a flat screwdriver, and then push that back in, and it kind of reset itself, and all was good. I mean, the fuse was not bad or something, and now the trunk is opening and closing correctly, and this is how I fix it. But if you need to replace the fuses, these are the ones for the trunk. Hope it helps. Bye.